Have you ever heard of the big bad wolf?
Well, it's a lie. Wolves can't even digest pork, so the story of the Three Little Pigs is fiction.
In real life, wolves are shy. They don't want to come near people.
They travel in packs and they act just like a family.
They show compassion and take care of each other.
In 1995, wolves were reintroduced into Yellowstone. They ate animals that were overpopulated like deer. Soon the plants started growing back. Other animals such as beavers, hawks, and foxes returned to Yellowstone. Yellowstone is healthier because of the wolves.
Wolves are slowly coming back to California. Let's welcome them.
The wolves have bad names, but they don't deserve it.
Wolves are endangered because people fear them.
Organizations like the California Wolf Center are working to change the wolf's image. They breed these gentle animals and even help restore them into the wild. Our class would like to help these gentle creatures.
We are conducting a case study on wolves.
The California Wolf Center sent an expert to our school. We took notes and asked questions to expand our knowledge.
Our crew would like to conduct field work at the California Wolf Center. We have raised over $400 in donations for this field work.
But we still need over $2,000 to pay for the buses and tickets.
But we know that the money the Wolf Center receives for our tickets will go to an important cause. We also hope to create a positive relationship between Conway and the California Wolf Center.
We feel that they are an important part of our community.
As an expeditionary learning school, we believe in being active citizens.
Save the wolf!